Hi, and welcome to Let's Cook. A staple ingredient cherished in kitchens globally. Rice. Let's make my perfect rice. But, as with all things culinary, perfection is in the palate of the beholder. What's ideal for me might not be your cup of tea, and that's the beauty of cooking. So, with that nod to personal taste and preferences, let's roll up our sleeves and dive into this rice recipe. Cooking is a shared experience, and I have learned this recipe from my son's babysitter. She shared tips and tricks that have transformed my rice making process. Lessons learned from a blend of tradition, experience, and those little secrets passed down from cooks who know their grains. We add a teaspoon of salt for a subtle infusion of flavor and a splash of lime juice, not just to keep the grains distinct and non-sticky, but also to preserve the rice's pristine white hue. Now add the rice gently to the boiling water. Cook the rice, stirring regularly for about 7 to 8 minutes. The rice should be almost done, slightly firm at the center. As we prepare this dish, let's not forget to appreciate rice's simplicity and its power to comfort. Immediately dip the rice into a sieve. Return the drained rice to the still hot saucepan. Give it a little shake to create an even layer. Dot the surface of the rice with butter. Cover the rice with the prepared aluminium foil. Place the saucepan over medium heat for about 1 minute until the foil domes up slightly. And cover the pan with a lid. Turn off the heat and let the rice stand for 10 minutes. Your fluffy basmati rice is now ready to be served. Enjoy! If you have enjoyed this rice recipe and found it useful, please consider sharing it with someone who might also appreciate and benefit from these tips.